Have you experiencing slow on your computer? Or are you running out of storage space? Or considering upgrading some components for boost performance? This video is about what you can upgrade in your laptop. But before you consider upgrading, after this video, you could watch the video on the link above about optimizing your computer with zero money spent. Now let's get started. What are my options if I want to upgrade my laptop? For performance, you have two best options. One is to add more storage, and the other one is to maximize your RAM capacity. Let's start with option 1, upgrading storage device. Make sure you know what type of storage device you are currently using. If you want to know how without unscrewing anything on your computer, simply press the Windows key +R to open the Run box. Type the word DFRGUI and press Enter. When the disk defragmenter window is shown, look for the media type column and you can find out what type of storage device you have. If you are using HDD or hard disk drive, I suggest you go for SSD or solid state drive. It's the newer generation of storage device which is faster than the traditional HDD because it uses flash-based memory. Take note of the keywords flash and fast. It means, when you install SSD on your computer, it will tremendously make it fast in starting up the computer, opening all programs and applications installed, and pulling up files in a flash. Is there a specific SSD designed for my computer? It depends on the slot your computer has. Commonly, the 2.5-inch SSD is the best choice. But better check your computer specifications and consult your best computer technician. Where can I get an SSD? Best place is on online shops. Just type the word SSD in the search bar and you will see all the options you have for SSD. It comes with different storage capacity. The lowest is 120 GB to 240 GB to 500 GB and up to 2 TB. It depends on your need, but 240 to 500 GB is a decent choice. If you are already using SSD, consider upgrading more storage capacity. Next is option 2, upgrading RAM. RAM or random access memory, aka computer memory. This component is responsible on handling your running programs on your computer. The more programs running on your system, the more RAM is needed. If your system has too little RAM, it can be slow and prone to screen freeze. How do I know how much RAM I need? For standard usage nowadays, minimum of 8 GB RAM is recommended. To see simulation of RAM usage, if 4 GB is enough, check the link in the description box below. The best option is to maximize the RAM capacity. Check the specification of your computer to determine the maximum RAM you could install. Or you could visit RAM compatibility checker online and see the details on upgrading RAM. Links are in the description below. How can I install these components on my laptop? You could do DIY and watch tutorials on how to install SSD and RAM on laptop. Take note that there is a risk you could damage your computer with no proper caution. Alternative option is to contact your best computer technician and let him or her do the job for you. If you don't know no one, you could visit nearest computer shops and services to buy and install the SSD and RAM on your computer. I hope these guides would give you idea about the options you have when upgrading your laptop. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, see you soon on the next tutorial.